going on, you guys? Welcome to the Trucker Style Sean YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about what I'm personally doing to set myself up for the future when the autonomous truck movement begins. I'm back. Alright, you guys. So we all know they've been working on these autonomous trucks, and there's a lot of different states that are actually already getting permits to start running them, to test them, and things of that nature. So that has me kind of thinking and nervous a little bit as a fleet owner and an owner-operator that what could I possibly be doing now to set myself up later that could help protect me from basically losing everything I've built. So far, the biggest things I've looked at, and at least in my mind, the things that are actually starting to make sense is more specialized freight. What I mean by that is there's a lot of agricultural loads and different types of hauling that are a lot more dangerous, that you have to be more mindset of. Like, for example, somebody hauling a liquid tanker, that's not going to be going autonomous anytime soon, because the rollover risk alone would be catastrophic. Oversized loads, same thing. You don't put an autonomous truck to run that because the risk alone is that much higher. There's a lot of different types of freight that we can move other than drive-in, refrigerated, some flatbed, that you're going to need a lot more driver input than your traditional loads. So what I'm personally doing is setting myself up now for more specialized freight to basically get ahead of the curve a little bit and not have to worry about things nearly as much. Again, this is just my personal opinion, again, what I am personally doing. So that's what I'm doing. Do you think an autonomous truck